When you ask AI systems like ChatGPT, Microsoft's AI, or Google's version about the dominant battery technology expected in the next decade, you might get an unexpected answer. According to these leading AI systems, the dominant battery technology for the future could be sodium-ion batteries. This raises a critical question for investors in lithium. Are they betting on the wrong technology? Why does artificial intelligence favor sodium? One significant advantage sodium has over lithium is its cost, which can be up to 50 times cheaper. Additionally, it is abundant and can be easily extracted from seawater, making it a more sustainable option for large-scale energy storage. This disruptive potential has caught the attention of major industry players, including Tesla. The question now is, what makes this sodium-ion battery special, and how does it compare to Tesla's existing battery technologies? With Tesla considering implementing this new chemistry into next year's models, including the Model Y, Juniper, and the anticipated Model Q, let's take a closer look at what makes this technology groundbreaking. A groundbreaking material developed by an international team of researchers, including the Canepa Research Laboratory at the University of Houston, suggests that sodium-ion batteries could indeed rival lithium-ion technology. This innovative material, sodium vanadium phosphate, improves the energy density of sodium-ion batteries by more than 15%. This is a significant leap forward, with the energy density increasing from 396 watt-hours per kilogram to 458 watt-hours per kilogram. This brings sodium-ion technology closer to competing with lithium-ion batteries in terms of performance. Here, Emmanuel Canepa, Robert Welch, an associate professor of electrical and computer engineering at the University of Houston, highlights that sodium is nearly 50 times cheaper than lithium and can even be harvested from seawater. This affordability, combined with the energy efficiency of the material, positions sodium-ion batteries as a more sustainable and accessible alternative for large-scale energy storage. Sodium-ion batteries could be cheaper and easier to produce, reducing reliance on lithium and making battery technology more accessible on a global scale. Canepa pointed out that this breakthrough material not only makes sodium-ion technology more practical, but also paves the way for more sustainable energy solutions in the future. Sodium vanadium phosphate is part of a group known as super-ionic conductors, or sodium superonic conductors. So this material is designed to allow sodium ions to move smoothly in and out of the battery during charge and discharge cycles. According to a press release. This material features a unique sodium handling mechanism that enables it to operate as a single-phase system. This means it remains stable while releasing or absorbing sodium. A groundbreaking material developed by an international team of researchers, including the Canepa Research Laboratory at the University of Houston, suggests that sodium-ion batteries could indeed rival lithium-ion technology. This innovative material, sodium vanadium phosphate, improves the energy density of sodium-ion batteries by more than 15%. This is a significant leap forward, with the energy density increasing from 396 watt-hours per kilogram to 458 watt-hours per kilogram. This brings sodium-ion technology closer to competing with lithium-ion batteries in terms of performance. Here, Emmanuel Canepa, Robert Welch, an associate professor of electrical and computer engineering at the University of Houston, highlights that sodium is nearly 50 times cheaper than lithium and can even be harvested from seawater. This affordability, combined with the energy efficiency of the material, positions sodium-ion batteries as a more sustainable and accessible alternative for large-scale energy storage. Sodium-ion batteries could be cheaper and easier to produce, reducing reliance on lithium and making battery technology more accessible on a global scale. Canepa pointed out that this breakthrough material not only makes sodium-ion technology more practical, but also paves the way for more sustainable energy solutions in the future. Sodium vanadium phosphate is part of a group known as super-ionic conductors, or sodium superonic conductors. So this material is designed to allow sodium ions to move smoothly in and out of the battery during charge and discharge cycles. According to a press release. This material features a unique sodium handling mechanism that enables it to operate as a single-phase system. This means it remains stable while releasing or absorbing sodium ions. Researchers have noted that this stability allows sodium super-ionic conductors to maintain a constant voltage of 3.7 volts against sodium metal, surpassing the 3.37 volts of current materials. While this voltage difference may seem minor, it significantly increases the battery's energy density, which refers to the amount of energy it can store relative to its weight. The key to this efficiency lies in vanadium, which can exist in multiple stable states, enabling it to store and release more energy. The constant voltage shift is an essential feature, as it means the battery can operate more efficiently without compromising the stability of its electrodes. This is a breakthrough for sodium-ion technology. Canepa explained that the impact of this work goes beyond sodium-ion batteries. The synthesis method used to create sodium vanadium phosphate can also be applied to other materials with similar chemical properties, opening up new possibilities for advanced energy storage technologies. These advancements could revolutionize sustainable, affordable batteries for everything, from powering devices to supporting the transition to a cleaner energy economy. In the press release, Canepa emphasized the researchers' goal of finding clean and sustainable solutions for energy storage. He noted that this material shows that sodium-ion batteries can meet the high energy demands of modern technology while remaining cost-equitable and environmentally friendly. What do you think of Tesla's new sodium-ion battery technology? If you believe sodium-ion batteries will replace lithium-ion as the main EV battery, comment 1. If you think lithium-ion will remain the top choice for years to come, comment 2. Let us know why you made your choice in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to help AutoFusion reach our goal of 1,270 subscribers. Your support truly makes a big difference. Thank you. Now let's examine how the new sodium-ion battery compares to lithium-ion technology. Tesla, known for its relentless pursuit of efficiency and cost reduction, could make use of sodium-ion battery technology as a potential game changer in its 2025 vehicle lineup. Sodium-ion batteries provide a compelling alternative to lithium-ion, with their promise of lower costs, better sustainability, and comparable performance for specific applications. Let's explore how Tesla might use this technology across its vehicles and product lineup. The Tesla Model Y Juniper, which is expected to feature sodium-ion cells, could achieve a range of up to 400 miles per charge. Sodium-ion batteries are projected to reduce costs by about 30% compared to traditional lithium-ion batteries. For example, while lithium-ion battery packs cost around $100 per kilowatt hour, sodium-ion packs could lower that cost to $70 per kilowatt hour. With a typical battery capacity of 75 QHY for the Model Y, this could mean a cost reduction of $2,250 per vehicle. This would bring the estimated manufacturing cost for the Model Y Juniper down from $45,000 to approximately $42,750. Assuming Tesla's gross margin target of 25%, the reduced cost could allow Tesla to either increase profitability or lower the vehicle's retail price to around $50,000 compared to the current $52,990 base price. These savings would make the Model Y Juniper more competitively priced, potentially expanding Tesla's market reach. Now, even with the reduced cost, the range of 400 miles would maintain Tesla's reputation for high-performance EVs, positioning the Model Y Juniper as a more affordable yet equally impressive option in its segment. Tesla's compact Model Q, designed for urban environments, could also benefit significantly from sodium-ion technology. Given sodium-ion batteries' reduced costs and robust performance in moderate climates, the Model Q could feature a smaller 50 kAh battery pack, offering a range of around 250 miles. At $70 per kilowatt hour, the battery cost would come to $3,500, significantly lower than the $5,000 cost for a comparable lithium-ion pack. This cost advantage could allow Tesla to price the Model Q at around $25,000, making it one of the most affordable EVs in its class. Such pricing aligns with Tesla's mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy by making EVs accessible to a broader audience. Assuming a production target of 500,000 units per year for the Model Q, the use of sodium-ion batteries could save Tesla approximately $750 million in battery costs each year. This would enable the company to scale production efficiently while maintaining competitive pricing. Tesla's upcoming electric motorhome concept could also be transformed by sodium-ion technology. Assuming the motorhome needs a 150 kWh battery pack, sodium-ion technology could reduce battery costs from $115,000 for lithium-ion to just $10,500. With an energy density comparable to lower-end lithium-ion batteries, around 200 watt-hours per kilogram, the motorhome could achieve a range of more than 500 miles per charge. This would make long-distance travel more feasible, addressing a key barrier to EV adoption in the recreational vehicle market. Additionally, using sodium, a more abundant and geographically diverse resource, reduces reliance on lithium mining, which aligns with Tesla's sustainability goals. And this is a resolution that puts lithium to use. Assuming annual production of 500 Zeroth could save $225 million in battery costs by using sodium-ion technology. This could make electric motorhomes more economically viable for consumers, potentially priced around $120,000. Beyond vehicles, sodium-ion batteries could have significant implications for Tesla's energy storage solutions, such as the Powerwall and Megapack. Their lower cost and stable performance make them ideal for stationary applications where weight and size are less of a concern. For example, a Powerwall equipped with sodium-ion cells could offer the same 13.5 kilowatt capacity at a reduced cost. If a lithium-ion battery costs $1,350 per Powerwall, sodium-ion could lower the cost to $945, saving $45 per unit. Scaling this to Tesla's 2023 Powerwall sales of 1,000,000 units, the adoption of sodium-ion could save the company $40.5 million annually. For larger scale applications like the Megapack, the savings could exceed hundreds of millions, especially as Tesla ramps up its grid-level storage deployments. By integrating sodium-ion batteries into vehicles like the Model Y, Juniper, and Model Q, as well as energy storage products, Tesla can continue leading the EV market while advancing its mission of sustainable energy. Though, is this the end of lithium-ion batteries? How Tesla's new sodium-ion technology could revolutionize the energy landscape is certainly exciting. The world of battery technology is undergoing a significant shift, and Elon Musk's latest announcement has electrified the automotive and tech industries. Tesla's CEO revealed that the 2025 lineup could feature sodium iron phosphate batteries, offering an impressive range of up to 1,790 miles on a single charge. But how does this compare to Tesla's current cutting-edge 4,680 lithium-ion cells? And what does the future hold for sodium-ion technology? The 4,680 battery, introduced in the Model Y and set to be a cornerstone of Tesla's production strategy, has already set new performance standards for the EV industry. With a 5-fold increase in energy density and a nearly 50% reduction in cost per kilowatt hour compared to previous generations, the 4,680 cells enable vehicles like the Model S and Cybertruck to achieve ranges of up to 520 miles. Despite these breakthroughs, the limitations of lithium-ion, such as high costs, finite resource availability, and geopolitical dependencies, highlight the need for alternatives. But as far as I know, enter sodium iron phosphate technology. While not as energy dense as the 4,680 battery, sodium ion offers a scalable and sustainable solution, especially for applications where cost and raw material abundance matter more than maximizing range. Tesla's commitment to innovation is clear, as recent advancements in material synthesis and electrode design have pushed sodium-ion cells beyond their initial limitations. With production costs potentially as low as $50 per kilowatt hour, dramatically lower than lithium ions per kilowatt hour, sodium-ion could allow Tesla to target a broader market segment. This would not only lower the barriers to EV ownership, but also make Tesla's energy storage solutions more affordable, such as the Powerwall and Megapack. Furthermore, sodium-ion's inherent stability and safety advantages make it a strong contender for broader energy applications, paving the way for grid-level storage systems vital to a renewable energy future. And now, a little bit of background on Tesla. Looking ahead, the transformative potential of sodium-ion batteries is hard to overstate. As research continues to improve their performance, Tesla is well-positioned to integrate these cells into its ecosystem. The opportunity to pivot to sodium-ion isn't just about diversifying energy storage. It's about setting the stage for the next wave of sustainable innovation. And from enabling mass media, from allowing mass media from Starbucks to advance clean energy infrastructure, sodium ion scalability fits seamlessly with Tesla's mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. Companies like Tesla, which adapt quickly, are set to lead the charge, redefining performance, accessibility, and environmental impact. So, the rise of sodium ion technology exemplifies how breakthroughs can shift the energy paradigm, and Tesla's ability to embrace and advance this new battery chemistry underscores its relentless pursuit of innovation and leadership. As sodium ion technology evolves from concept to commercial reality, it may not only complement lithium ion but eventually rival it in reshaping the future of energy. In a world where battery technology evolves rapidly, Tesla's exploration of sodium ion batteries marks an exciting new chapter in the race for sustainable energy solutions. Will these batteries redefine EV performance standards? Could they be the tipping point for wider adoption of renewable energy storage? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you believe sodium ion technology can truly rival lithium ion? What impact do you think it will have on the EV market? Share your opinions in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to AutoFusion for more updates on Tesla and the latest in tech innovations. Stay tuned for our next video. You won't want to miss it.